Former President Rodrigo Duterte's children visit him at the ICC detention center, with son Baste slamming his father's confinement as inhumane for an 80-year-old. Jason Rubrico has more on this.
Acting Davao City Mayor Sebastian Baste Duterte, along with his siblings, Representative Paulo Pulong Duterte and Veronica Kitty Duterte, visited their father inside the International Criminal Court, or ICC detention center. In an ambush interview, Baste expressed disappointment over the former president's condition, saying it was inhumane to keep him confined at 80 years old.
Buhay pa naman siya. Pero hindi siya yung dapat na yung isang tao na ganun yung kondisyon niya sa edad niya na dapat nasa isang detention center. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Sa kalagayan niya at saka huwag na lang natin i-mention yung kung anong contribution niya sa Pilipinas. Huwag na lang yun. Yung kalagayan niya lang yung iisipin at kalusugan ng tao. He's already 80 years old, tapos ganon yung treatment ng Philippine government. The head of state who is Bongbong Marcos, diba? Ganon yung treatment niya sa tao.
Baste also appealed to the Dutch government, pointing out the Netherlands' strong stance on human rights. He urged officials there to allow open discussions on his father's detention and state of health.
Another one, I do not know if this will go well with the, with the Dutch, pero you are very sensitive when it comes to human rights. So sana maisip nila rin na they should open the debate. Yun lang naman dapat sana. Wala naman, we're not against, kung sino man nagpapatakbo or this place or this country is allowing it to happen, but they should open up the debate to put an 80-year-old individual na medyo may problema na sa kalusugan, may mga sakit na rin, na bakit nandyan siya at ano ba talaga yung kasalanan niya.
The acting mayor further defended his father's record, stressing that the former president's campaign against illegal drugs was meant to protect Filipinos. He argued that a leader focused on saving lives should not be punished.
Because kung ako tatanungin nyo, if it is a war against drugs, kasi yun yung dahilan ng mga who is opposing him, kaya nandito siya. Sino ba ang tinatamaan nun? If you are against drugs, di yung tinatamaan nun yung mga nagbebenta, mga poser, mga drug lord. So paano siya naging mali doon? Because he wants to save the victims of these people. So ano kasalanan ng tao ngayon na nandyan siya sa... Ayoko na magalit.
Meanwhile, his sister Kitty says the former president is expected to see all 4 of his children this week. For God and my beloved Philippines, I am Jason Rubrico, SMNI News.